If you currently own a home in the Baltimore Metro Area or have plans to become a homeowner, this video is for you. We'll be discussing the latest market trends from November 2023. Be sure to watch to the end to learn about how the market is changing for buyers and sellers in the new year. As we look at the overall picture for the Baltimore Metro Area, which includes Arundel County, Baltimore County, Baltimore City, Carroll County, Howard County, and Harford County, we can see that there is 1.64 months of inventory in November. So what does this mean? The months of supply metric gives us an idea of how quickly homes on the market would be sold based on the average sales volume. If there's 4 to 6 months of inventory, that means it's a balanced state. If there's less than 4 months of inventory, that means there's limited availability and prices could go up. On the flip side, if there's more than 6 months of inventory, there's plenty of supply of property options for the buyers, which could bring prices down. The inventory supply has remained relatively stable over the past month at the 1.64 months, experiencing a slight decrease of 4.8%. The scarcity of new listings has been a significant factor, with November witnessing a notable 15.9% decline compared to the previous year. This month marks the lowest new listing count since February. The persistent shortage of new listings continues and contributes to limited housing inventory, driving up the ongoing housing prices and ensuring that houses are selling really quickly. The median sold price for the Baltimore Metro Area reached $369,250, showing a slight increase compared to last month. While this figure serves as a crucial indicator of the overall market health of the Baltimore Metro Area, it's important to note that individual counties may exhibit varying reflections of this trend. Arundel County increased from 2% from last month, landing at $497,000. Baltimore City is up slightly from last month at $217,000. Baltimore County is up at 2.4% at $332,835. Carroll County is up by 0.4% this month at $429,000. Harford County is up as well by 2.7% at $375,000. Howard County had the largest increase at 7.64% at $570,000. In November, the median list-to-sale price ratio for the overall Baltimore metro area remains steady at 100%, indicating that the properties consistently sold at their listed prices without deviation. This trend aligns with both the previous month and the same period last year. It's crucial to acknowledge that this statistic is closely tied to the selling strategy employed by the property owners. A year ago, the market witnessed a huge surge of multiple offers driven by limited availability. Although sellers continued to receive multiple offers, the number has slightly decreased compared to the previous year. Buyers are not as quick to waive contingencies. Additionally, in some markets, there's a notable shift with sellers becoming more open to offering concessions to prospective buyers. Despite this, certain listings are receiving significant attention with 10 or more offers within the first weekend. This nuanced landscape underscores the dynamic interplay between buyer and seller strategies in the current real estate environment. If you're curious about how fast homes were selling in November in the Baltimore metro area, they were typically selling in 11 days. That's a bit slower than the previous month where it was taking around 9 days, but this still shows that things are moving pretty quickly in the Baltimore area. While the overall quantity of home sales in the Baltimore metro area were sluggish in 2023, hindered by higher mortgage rates and limited inventory, rates hit a peak in early November, almost hitting 8%. They've been steadily decreasing and are likely to dip below 7% by the year's end. The decline in mortgage rates is anticipated to attract more sellers and buyers to the market in 2024. Homeowners that have had a very low mortgage rate have been hesitant to sell, but as family and financial priorities shift, more homeowners are expected to list their homes throughout 2024. Rates are also expected to lure more buyers into the market, increasing overall transactions in the Baltimore metro area in 2024. It's important to mention that current mortgage rates are hovering around 7.31%. However, the specific rate you secure is contingent on various factors. Your decision between fixed variable rates, along with several other key considerations, will play a crucial role in determining the exact rate you obtain. In summary, the real estate market is currently constrained by a lack of inventory, with a year-over-year decrease in all local markets except Harford County. This shortage has led to the widespread pricing increases, particularly noted in Howard County and Arundel County. However, Baltimore City and Carroll County have experienced minimal decreases in pricing. On a positive note, as mentioned before, the anticipation of interest rates decreasing as early as spring 2024. This development is expected to benefit both buyers and sellers. Homeowners that have been reluctant to move may find an opportunity to list their properties, and potential buyers who have been waiting on the sidelines can resume their search for a new home. Overall, the shift in interest rates adds an element of excitement and opportunity to the real estate market. It's important to remember that the real estate market trends we've discussed offer a broad overview of the Baltimore Metro area. Nevertheless, it's essential to keep in mind that each buying and selling situation is unique, so use this market update as a helpful guide, but don't treat it as a whole story. If you're in search for a precise market analysis tailored to your specific property, or you have been contemplating a purchase and want to explore potential hidden opportunities, I encourage you to request a complimentary, no obligation market evaluation or arrange a call with me. During a conversation, I'll provide you with transparent, candid information to empower you to make well-informed decisions based on your circumstances. Alternatively, feel free to explore my other videos, and I'll see you next year and next month with a market update.